there must be a way to calculate where everyone is, right? And from that simple question, we now have what is known as the Drake equation.
Discovery Houston, 20 seconds to LOS.
Roger, 0G, I feel fine. Capsule is turning around.
The Drake equation breaks down all the necessary steps and requirements for a civilization to exist and thrive on a galactic level, allowing for us to detect them. It breaks down the search step by step, and at the end, we're left with the number of civilizations out there, waiting to be found. This is the Drake equation. In a single line, 7 variables, when multiplied together, give us a way of measuring how many possible civilizations could exist in our galaxy at this very instant. It's an actual way of calculating what we did at the start of the video, and there's terms for each step. It's a little daunting, but I'll break it down. N is the number of civilizations in our galaxy that we have a chance of talking to. This is what we're trying to figure out. Our star is the average rate of star formation in our galaxy. Now, we don't know the exact number of stars that form every year, but we do know the amount of solar masses that form every year. It's about 3. So every year, about 3 average-sized stars form. Luckily, our sun is a pretty average star, so it's a good way to view it. It could be one huge star or 10 smaller stars. We don't know for sure, but this term in the equation is the one that we're the most certain of. F sub p is the fraction of those stars that have planets. This number isn't certain, but some people have estimated that it's somewhere between 10 and 50%. Not super accurate, but it's a start. N sub e is the average number of planets that could potentially support life. So first we find the stars, second we find the planets, third we find the planets out of those that could support life. As I said at the start of the video, about 1 in every 5 stars have a planet in the habitable zone, so this is pretty certain as well. F sub L is where things start to get a little bit messy. F sub L is the fraction of planets that actually develop life at some point. Our data on life is really, really small, and by really small I mean us. We have 1 planet's worth of information on life out of the billions of planets out there in the sky. We're just going off the data that we have,